Okay, I don't want to beat around the bush, so let's get straight to the point. As you may have already seen, a new way to earn income in our YouTube studio has appeared. To see this, you just have to log in, go to your YouTube studio, look for the Earn section, and here you will see this new option to earn income that at first can be a little confusing and may even seem that it will make you lose money because it indicates that you will show videos without ads. This option to activate, basically what it does is to offer your educational content to certain educational groups, such as schools or teachers without ads, and in return you will receive a certain amount of money from the fund that YouTube has reserved for people who have activated this option and whose videos are being consumed by these institutions. Basically, you do not lose money, but you win an extra more, because for you will continue to earn money for the ads shown to the general public, and also as an extra, you will also get an amount for offering your content to these educational groups. The amount you earn depends a lot on whether your videos are more consumed in this group or not. So the more educational content you have, the more profitable it will be to activate this option. Either way, you do not lose anything by activating it. So I recommend doing it.